Hi guys, I am in Shediac tonight. I picked up my niece and nephew and I wanted to bring them to Akadi Lumina, which is about a half-hour away in Brunswick. And it's a light show that's through the forest. And I went to one in Mont Tremblant last summer by the same company. I think that one was called Akadi Lumina, and I absolutely loved it. So I was super excited when I saw that they were going to be having one in New Brunswick. And I believe it's going to be a little bit different. So most people come here for the beach, but there has been some water testing problems from some runoff in the area, so the beach is closed. But we did end up going to a few other little touristy spots. We checked out the Big Lobster, went to some shops. My niece and nephew picked out some gemstones and some surprise bags that were filled with some cute little goodies. And then we went to Pointe de Chêne, I think is what it's called, where the lighthouse is. They have a candy store there, an art gallery. I think there's a restaurant, and then we get some ice cream at this cute little ice cream shop. They are going to cancel the light show if there's chances of thunderstorms tonight, so I have fingers crossed that that doesn't happen. We just checked into Hotel Shediac, which is a beautiful hotel, and we have our own little balcony. We're just getting settled in, and we're going to grab some supper and then head to Brunswick. This is my little redheaded twin. What did you call me today?
A carrot head.
Yeah, I look like a carrot head?
But it's true!
It's true?
Yeah, you look
That's
like
okay,
a carrot.
that's okay. Carrots are good for you.
But yeah, it's not making your eyes better.
It's not making my eyes better?
No.
I don't need glasses though. It must be good.
No.
Are you excited for the light show tonight?
Yeah.
You like staying in hotels?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite part?
Looking at
Looking at the hotel. Me too. She's gonna be a little decorator, I think, like me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Qu'est-ce qu'il est là? Va, t'arrives juste à temps pour une belle veillée.
Bonne nuit là.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Avant que le soir tombe, on se patente une danse discrète. Before night falls, a secret dance is called.
Moi, mes ancêtres sont vivants à l'intérieur de moi.
La vita si ferma nell'onda delle, la vita si ferma nell'onda delle.